down with y'all boys, man. We back in this bitch with another one. Right now, we finna head to a little meet. We gonna see what's popping, you know what I mean? But right now, we chilled up at the gas station, you know what I mean? Got a little Stang, truck. Got the Charger out here. That motherfucker look mad, boy. Charlie out here. Tweaker out here with us, too. Hell yeah. Vet, Daytona. Little 392. You know what I mean? It's rollout time. I mean, see how we still. Yeah, Charger. What the fuck? Boy, they is not fucking with our ass out here, boy. They done took out the whole squad. It's just the 2 Chargers left, boy. It's just, ooh, Lord. Boy, they done got damn near everybody out this motherfucker, boy. Hey, we got out smooth, though, you mean? Hey, I guess we gonna duck off for a minute, then I'll catch y'all when we at the meet. They done freed them boys. They done freed them boys. We got a little bit more of the group back going. They done freed they ooh.
What happened?
What they get y'all on?
I can see you out, nigga.
What they get y'all on? What they get y'all on? Alright, for sure. What the fuck going on? What they get y'all on?
He let me go.
Oh, for real?
Nigga said that we all was going over 100.
Park right there.
Another nigga gonna fill that spot, I promise you.
You know reason. They said everybody was doing 100.
The white Charger that was in front and the red vet that was in the back.
Oh, my mama. He said it was the white Charger and the red vet. He said y'all niggas was going over 100. Nigga.
He got that vet smooth. Alright, y'all see where we at? Oh, look who it is. Look who it is. Y'all see where we at? Parked up. The QT, the pre-meet. Look, there's El Camino over here. That was hard. The Camino. Bishop. Let me see what's happening over here. 2 scats on the drag pack right here. This hoe definitely pro charge. Yup. Oh yeah. Look in there. This y'all car? I like it. I like it. It's pro charge? It's pro charge, ain't it? No? Oh. You lying? Oh. For real? Oh, for real? I didn't even know you could twin turbo scats. Oh yeah. Oh, that's tough. On scat pack. Mustang out there getting it. They both on the pack. VMS with these little welds. Yep. They both on the pack. Oh yeah. Is this one boosted too then?
Yeah, but I only got 1 turbo on.
Oh yeah. Nah, this is clean. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me get under the hood for y'all. Yeah. Let me spot the turbo. Yeah. Oh, we got the turbo out there. Yeah. Gotta go see their court. Y'all know what we gotta get. Same. James? Oh. Shane, what's poppin'? Let's go see what's up with this Accord, man. Yeah. Fitment. Can't even fit your finger in there. Yeah, we ain't even at the meet yet. I'll catch y'all when we there. Hey, y'all see where we at, though. We done made it to the meet.
You see where we at.
This a guy that done stunned on me, bro. He ain't had to do all that film. This nigga stunned on me, boy. Done about the big camera out this motherfucker, boy. Hey, one day, he said he feel different. He said he feel different. That boy said, nah, I'm gonna do my own thing.
Bro, yes, you can. You get to my long ass exhaust. Bro, you're gonna be under him.
Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing, he said.
Oh, my exhaust tips come to y'all's front lip perfectly.
Bro, what? That shit gonna be under there.
What the fuck? Bro, it looks just like the front. Just turn the lights off, bro.
Say it look just like the front. What you mean? We sliding through this motherfucker. We gonna go see what they got out here. This nigga on a scooter. Hey, that's tough, I guess. He got a seat on that bitch too. All right. He lay way back. Little RT tucked way back there. Hella Mopars, hella Mopar. Mopar. As far as the eye can see, Mopar. This purple hard. That purple hard as fuck, yeah. Mopar as far as the eye can see. See what's up with this vet. What's that, a Pro Charger? She Pro Charge? Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, she clean. Clean. That bit clean, boy. Another C7. That's Lord. LT4 on that bit. Yup. I mean, I don't know.
Yes, I got.
What do you say?
Bro.
What do you say?
He let me go. No ticket, no warning.
For real?
He
You
was like,
lucky?
he was like, do you know those guys you're with? I was like, no, sir. He was like, come on, you're gonna tell me you don't know. I was like, I'm gonna be honest. I just saw them in a line on the highway. I hopped in with them and I started, okay, I'm gonna be honest. And he was like, okay.
That boy got out smooth.
Yeah, no ticket, no
That
nothing,
boy
bro.
got out smooth.
And my registration's out.
You lucky, boy. You lucky. Mopar everywhere. SRTA. I fuck with this. This my favorite Charger generation. I ain't gonna lie. That whole hard is a bitch. That.
It's the badge, nigga. You don't know what it is.
Yeah, I don't know if it's scattered. My bad. Alright, for sure. Got the Audis over here. Them Audis stepping cold. Hella Audi as far as the eye can see. Goddamn. Austin parked up here all lonely. He parked away from the Mopars. He said, damn, I'm a Mustang. Oh, God. Nah, it's really because these niggas park like shit. Hold on. Look at this bitch. Look how far he is from the line. Look, the line, the car. Well, that's a lap of the whole meet. Time to link back up with the niggas, I guess. Y'all see how we parked up. Somebody over there tripping. I don't know who. Somebody car getting broke into too. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see how we parked up though. This boy wanna start revving that shit, boy. Come on with it, man. Crank that motherfucker.
Hold on. If we bet it, hold on. Come on. Because my shit will overheat.
Get that thing ready. I'm making money.
I want to hear the loudest charger.
Nigga sound making money.
The loudest
Call your boy
charger.
over here.
The loudest Mopar.
Call your boy over
You're
here.
not.
I should be in this, but I'm
Real.
Get the loudest Mopar over here. Don't fool your shit. I gotta hear yours to go off it. No. What do you mean, nah? Can't just turn it on and just start. I gotta hear what I'm going against.
It's a Charger just like yours,
Okay,
but
but
it's
this
the other one.
is a 06 Charger. I gotta see what I'm going against.
You scared?
I'm not scared.
You scared?
I'm not scared.
$5
Yeah. But now you're ordering
$5 bet.
$7.
definitely not
Who
worth
want to bet 5? We can make a big old pot out here. Fuck around and find out. We taking everybody money.
Oh yeah.
We taking everybody money up. Bet 5. I don't bring it over here yet. I want my money. I want my money. Oh, we ain't bringing nothing. I want my money. Shake this hand. Lock in some of them little $5. So y'all scared? We ain't scared. I got them boys scared. You got focus on the D. Alright.
He'll be alright.
Look in everybody's face.
He'll be alright.
He's scared, D. He's scared, D.
I promise you.
He's scared. Okay. We got a grown man over here. So you shake my hand? Shit, ain't shit on the line. He got heart. He got his chin. He got heart.
gonna leave me hanging?
He got heart, so you got heart.
You gonna leave me hanging?
Don't
slip it like a bitch.
stay on my soul.
Let him down.
You gonna leave me hanging?
That's a $5 bet, bro.
Come on with it, he
I
say.
got 1 5 on it.
Come on with it, he say.
Potter. Put me down, bitch. Y'all deep too. So we ain't going off your little crowd. Come on. We all here. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Man, you're not touching that motherfucker. You just cranked it.
I know my nigga did this shit.
Uh-huh.
Your car's supposed to be over here, dog.
Get some juice now.
Hey man, your car's supposed to be over here, dog.
That boy pulled up the dirt. He done ripped up the dirt.
Bet the dog.
He ripped up the dirt on that. He said, bet the dog. He gonna be real. Bet the dog.
Bet the dog.
You got a lot of money, brother.
I don't got no team.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, you got you beat though.
You put 300, I cut them chips off right now. And I bet you it'll be even more louder.
I take bets all day.
Bet the dog.
Let's go look at this file sale.
Fucking B6.
Ah! He think he part of it. He think he part of it.
Cut it out.
No more, Bubba. No mas. Shut it off. No mas.
This whole light beam. It's a 06. It's a 06.
That file
That's
sale.
how an 06 should look.
Just a file
This shit
sale.
caught fire. This bitch, all this shit was covered in white shit, bruh. I beat a 5-0 in a 2-step comp. Beat his ass. He thought.
It's just the windshield wiper shit looks small. I mean, that's the only thing that looks different.
Yeah, don't mind that. Don't mind all this.
That been wiggly.
Don't mind all that.
Yeah, he got beat. He got beat.
If Lane was driving.
Let me get the bike on camera. Look, Ethan. Look what Ethan popping out in. CVR with it. Pops with the Harley. Give it some. He shake the floor. Look at the pipes supercharged too. Give her one more. One more. Ow! 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 Damn. Hey, he might have won. He might have won. Hey, he might have won. 5.56 in that bitch. What the fuck? Nah, that hoe is wild. That motherfucker's wild. Damn. That nigga got 7.62. What the hell? Oh God, bro, I can't hear shit. On my soul. He brought a Draco to the car meet. What the fuck? On the way. They think they letting off shots. Nah. 12 on the way. We not gonna be able to stay here long. 12 on the way right now. That bit whining too. Damn. That be the supercharged way. What the fuck? Hey, Matt. He might have won. Yeah. Yeah. How he get a fully K in the exhaust? How he do that? What the fuck? Oh, God. Oh, God. It's 12? It's 12 over there?
At the Sonic.
At the Sonic. Hey, fuck that nigga. He ain't gonna do nothing. He not catching nobody here. Maybe a couple niggas. Uh-oh. What's up?
That's right.
Oh, we out? All right. Oh, all right.
Yeah, radar going off.
All right, it's time. Oh, all right. We out, I guess. Yup. Yup, time to go. Yup, time to head out. Alright, y'all, shit got a little too high, you feel me? We had to go chill out. We done, came back to Temple. Y'all see how we parked up, though, you mean? Look how that bitch sitting, yeah. Yeah, bye. This is the end of this one. I'll catch y'all boys in the next one. Actually, I should have a little Austin video coming up for y'all. We'll see what's up with that, but I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.
The next day.
Time with y'all boys, man. We back in this bitch with another one today. We hitting a little meat, then we hitting the takeover, so should be some little fun with y'all. Y'all see what we rolling in. We got one Mopar, two Mopar, and then hold on. 3 Mopar. Hold on. This really a Mopar. Y'all just don't know that. It's 392 swap for real. So we rolling with the Mopars today. We not in the Mopar, but it's a Mopar for real. Y'all see, we got that boy Matt out here. Real Reaper. Bye, y'all. I'll catch y'all boys when we back at the meet. Alright, y'all. We out here at QT. Mopar parked up. Other Mopar, we lost cuz on the highway, but y'all see how it is. Got everybody parked up out this motherfucker. OBS clean. Dos. We lost your ass, cuz. We lost your ass. That boy Grim Reaper. Hell yeah. Y'all see how we parked up? I'm gonna catch y'all boys when niggas getting active. Niggas don't want to get active, so we getting active alone. I mean. motherfucker. Alright, y'all, we had another new spot. I guess we're gonna see if niggas gonna get active here. I don't know, it ain't looking too hot, but we gonna see what's up. I'll catch y'all boys if niggas is getting active. Sparking too.
Hurry up, it's over. Hey, keep going, Wade, keep going, keep going.
Blow the transmission.
Oh, David! What are you flashing his lights for? They taking off down there. Yo, it's that time. Goddamn. Alright, y'all boys. So shit started getting a little too hot. Niggas didn't want to get active no more. You feel me? So shit, we finna go head back to town. But hey, hopefully this was a banger for y'all. I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.
That's all, folks.